Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to install blind curtains. Firstly, blinds are installed within the window frame. Just measure from the window casing to where the blinds should stop. Blinds are installed outside the frame. Just measure from the casing edge to the desired blind length. Open the package and ensure you have all necessary components like brackets, screws, safety bracket, and instructions. Then gather your tools, drill, measuring tape, screwdriver, and level and pencil. Inside mount, just measure from the edge of the casing and mark the location. Now pre-drill holes to avoid splitting the wood, especially for inside mounts. And for outside mounts, drill one hole at each end, mark. Now place brackets against the casing and secure with screws. Then attach the center support bracket if needed. Insert the top of the blinds into the one bracket and use a level to ensure they're straight. Then secure the other bracket. For chain-operated blinds, install the chain holder on the wall for safety. If adding of balance, attach the valance clips. And you've successfully installed your window blinds. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.